Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable OK Google on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you enabled a Google Assistant and you want to enable the OK Google feature, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So starting up with opening up your Google. Then clicking on your account icon right here, then go to settings, Google Assistant, and tap here on voice match. As you can see, I can access my assistant anytime by saying "Hey Google" even when my screen is off. So to turn it on, just click here and set up your "Hey Google". As you can see, "Hey Google" is ready. It looks like you already set up voice match with your assistant on another device. So right now let's check it. "Hey Google". As you can see, my Google Assistant is working properly. So basically that's it, and now your OK Google feature is on. So thank you for watching and subscribe.